My name is Swanston of the Department of Agriculture, Nevis. I'm currently in the Extension Division and I supervise a government estate where we produce crops. Recently I traveled to Dominica on a capacity building workshop on white potato production and marketing of the Organization of the Eastern Caribbean States. The workshop was hosted by FAO, ECA and CARDI with partnership with the Dominican government and the farmers alongside. It was very informative and it was a workshop where we focused on production of the white potato to reduce the import bill and to help sustain the OECS islands with white potato production. It was very informative. We learned a lot. We had seminars, we had presentations from farmers, extension officers, and other facilitators at the workshop. We also had a field trip where we went into a few farms that was way up in the mountains where we saw some farmers manually putting in some of the sweet potato seeds that we got from the division, from the marketing division in Dominica. So this training session was very informative. It helped me a lot to help any farmers that want to get into the white potato production. We could actually source seeds from Dominica to get here to help with farmers if they want to get into production of the white potato. But it's a key factor. You have key factors when it comes to production of white potato. One of the key factors is elevation. You have to have a cool climate, and it's recommended to be at least 1,000 feet above sea level when producing white potatoes. So those are some of the information I received on the workshop. So going forward, I would love to see farmers getting into white potato production and still into sweet potato production, because we know the import bill in the Federation is very high when it comes to importation of these commodities.